Hi, hello, and welcome back to Love Tales. So here today we are going to see about how to make the tasty mango milkshake. So let's get into the video. So now I am going to cut this big mango. So now I am going to smash some cardamoms. Add the smashed cardamoms into the jar. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of honey instead of sugar. So now I am going to add some 1 glass of chilled and cold milk. Make sure it must be chilled. And now grind it. Our yummy and tasty milkshake is ready. Thanks for watching.